and what kind of your suggestion, feedback. So if you are able to share with us, so we can go for some improvement for arranging and organizing the another workshop as well as the hands-on sessions. So I'm requesting all the participants, esteemed participants, so kindly share your opinion. So it will be very much helpful to us to improvise our future plans. Okay. So kindly share your opinion. So I'm requesting all the participants.
Thank you, sir. It's really wonderful program.
Yes.
It's very good video coverage and the online. It's really wondering. Even while I'm traveling, also your videos in audio are very clear. So, and the technical content and the coverage, so it's really good. And I hope in the next year also this kind of things will come up. And um, this will really helpful for the practicing professors and engineers and others. So the very good coverage of practical and theory and the research aspects. It's wonderful session. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for suggestion, giving your suggestions to us. Okay. So is any other views from any other experts? Please share your opinion. So kindly share your views.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
The workshop was wonderful and especially helping. It was helpful to those who are working on interested to work in hardware and working on the real time platform. So it was a very wonderful and it was self explanatory. Every speaker was explaining uh, his work in detail. So there is no hidden such that everyone was there's a uniqueness of this workshop. I found that everyone was giving his knowledge, her knowledge openly, and there was openness I found. So excellent, excellent work.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. So, any other, please share with us. Any other news?
Uh, Sir, may I?
Sure, sir. Please.
Arnab sir, first of all, thank you very much for arranging this wonderful workshop. Uh, I think all the sessions were very well planned. Uh, the most important thing, I think, I had even shared it with our some of the PG students that you should see all these videos because they are giving very good knowledge and like it also give the good thing I liked most was about the discussion on the DSP. Many of the people they have also discussed the basic concepts to you can say that their last work whatever they have done that was shared. Even RT lab session was also good, and every day it was a good lab session. Only one thing which I would like to share is that such a workshop in, of course, like in physical mode, it is difficult for all. But this workshop, I really wish that if I would be there with you and if I would be able to attend 100%, would be definitely good. So again, congratulations to you and your team, sir. I would also like to appreciate everyone, all the speakers. They've done remarkable good job. So thank you very much, and looking forward to have more collaboration in future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your appreciations and suggestions. So I'm requesting other participants, please share your views. Okay, so Is there any other interested participants to share your opinion? Okay, so we have received some important points. So, and now we are going to conclude our workshop. So before concluding some important points, I need to showcasing all of you. So basically, when we started to plan that workshop, that time our main motivation was that to find out to some experts. Okay, so they are doing some commendable work in their domain. It's not like that all are a lot of students also presenting over here. So our another option, another vision was there. So provide them to give a platform. Okay, so they can showcasing their work in outside of our and to our to the open platform. So they can also gather some of the knowledge, very important feedbacks from the esteemed participants ends. If you see the participants profile, so we can able to see that they are from different esteemed universities, and most of them are read their doctorate degree, and their views is really commendable to us. As well as I have seen that a lot of industry experts, maybe the numbers are few, but they have also joined, and some of the participants, they have really giving some important input. Okay, maybe they are also doing the same field of work, and nearby work they are also share their views, so that can also help us to improvise ourselves in our future work. Okay, I hope that our work, the dimension, the direction of our work also help to others. Basically, I personally believe on that. So if whatever we will do, so that should be judged by other person. Okay, so that's why we are trying to do whatever we are able to develop, and whatever we are trying to develop, that should be judged by that other persons. Those are not in our institute. Okay, so for that way we can also able to learn, and we can also able to gather some knowledge from the feedback, as well as how it is working, and they are also know how we are also doing. That's it, that's the motivation. So thank you all of you for giving your valuable time. So total almost we have in 5 days we have attended, I mean, we have covered total 20 session. Okay, so among of them 16 interactive session, and 4 laboratory sessions. So we did our level best to mitigate your expectation. I know that is a online platform, so some of the times maybe network issues and sometimes happen, but I hope that is our part of the consideration. As you know, that is a virtual platform to interacting all of us. Okay, I hope we are doing our level best to continue and to mitigate your expectation. Thank you all of you, and very near future we will meet you again in a technical interaction. Thank you. Thank you very much, and good evening. Bye. So we are going to conclude our valedictory session. Thank you.